there, thanks for tuning in. I'm Sally. One of the things that I do is I coach people on health and wellness and good nutritional habits and so forth, which by the way are very different from what most of the mainstream media and the food industry are telling you. That's a whole different story. We can talk about that at length. This is just a short intro to some videos that I actually shot previously in my Sticks and Bricks kitchen. But it's also recipes that I would make in my RV all the time anyway and do. So I thought rather than having to reshoot those videos, I'd kind of repurpose them here for you so that you can see what kinds of things you can do. The two primary instruments that I use when I'm cooking in my RV, I use my Instant Pot a lot and I use my air fryer a lot. I love both of those things and for a couple of reasons. Neither one of them heats up my RV kitchen, and summers are getting warmer pretty much no matter where you are, and heating up the kitchen on a warm summer day, just not my favorite thing to do. Now I'm fortunate, I have a fair amount of solar and I've got lithium batteries, so I can live off grid pretty much continuously without any issues. And one of the ways that I kind of manage my power consumption is I have a tendency to do most of my more intensive electric type cooking earlier in the day, so that I've got pretty much all day for my solar to be able to catch my batteries back up if I've depleted them more than I would otherwise have done. So that system works really well. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Please do check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hey tribe, here's what's cooking today, although there's really no cooking involved. I just wanted to share, I roasted a chicken last night using the Instant Pot, which was really awesome. So I'll post that recipe for you at some point. And so for lunch today, I decided to make some chicken salad. Super simple, really delicious, WildFit friendly. Here's what we got going on. All that I've got is about 1.5 cups of chopped up cooked chicken, 2 stalks of celery chopped up fine, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of minced onion, and about 1/4 cup of toasted pecans to give it just that little bit of extra flavor. Salt, pepper, and homemade mayonnaise, and boy is it good. You want to try this one. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below of what you think. If you've tried the recipe, if you've got some ideas about how to make it different or better, that would be awesome. Look forward to seeing you next time.